Now we're going to run through the cab of the Fiat Ducato. So starting on the left, so there's a glove box up the top here with a USB in there, glove box down there, you've got a 12 volt, you've got a USB here, there's your hazard lights. This one is to lock both the side doors. This is all to do with traction control, so you can read about that in your manual. This is all your heating and your cooling. Then you've got your radio up here with the apps. This little lid flips up, so you use two hands, pull it up, and then you pull this out and it opens up, and then you can put your iPad or Navman or phone in there if you wish. Close it back up like so, clip it back down. Obviously this one's a manual, but if you had an automatic, it clearly shows you your reverse, neutral, park, etc. On the left you've got your indicators, on the right you've got your wipers. Down under the indicators on the left hand side you've got your cruise control. On the steering wheel you can adjust the volume on your radio, and on the other side take calls. Also on the door you've got your little controller for your mirrors. So you see this little toggle switch here, so that's clear, that's at the moment in the neutral position, so off. So you just point to which mirror. So if you want the passenger side, you'll turn it to the left, so that's the top right, and there's the bottom one, and then the two driver's side ones, and then you just toggle the little button to adjust your mirrors. Coming back to the radio, so navigation, if you're interested in getting maps, a little chip goes up into the little slot up there, so just contact us, or the instructions are on the knowledge centre. The reversing camera, so that will automatically come on when you go into reverse. You can obviously adjust the brightness. Coming back here, you've got your radio up here. By pushing the home button, that's how you get back to all your apps. And like I say, you just swipe along to whatever you want to choose. You can Bluetooth your phones, and there's a little demo to watch which we recommend, and obviously the manual is in your book as well. And to turn it on and off, you just hold down this button here and it turns off.